My name is William Barker and I'm a public administration student. I am a military child, but my family lives in Virginia and I'm currently on campus. So as a military reservist, I have had certain challenges trying to navigate that balance between fulfilling my commitments with the military and with school. And I think the Office of Military Services and my professors have been very helpful in these past semesters, helping me complete assignments and excel in my courses. When I was looking at colleges, I wanted to find a place that reflected my military background and that experience of seeing diverse experiences, meeting new people. And George Mason is the most diverse university in Virginia. You'll meet all sorts of different people that find community not just because they're a working professional or not just because they're a student parent, but because they're that combination of identities. The student body as a whole is very intent on making this a good experience and including everyone. So when I've met other student leaders on campus, there's always this sense of trying to bring people together. When I first came to Mason, I did want to find a community that I could be accepted in, and the LGBT+ Resources Center offered that in ways that I continue to appreciate. I love working with the center. It gives me a sense of purpose in a way that I haven't really experienced before. And just getting to meet all those people and help them on their journey.